Hi, my name is Tarek. I'm a content creator, innovation engineer and gamer from Germany. The design of the Mercury mouse is super interesting and weird. At first sight you don't even know what you're looking at. The outer shell consists of an open truss covering what looks like a small mouse on the inside. When you touch it, you feel a cold metal-like surface, but it is still lightweight because the exoskeleton is thin and minimalistic. But most importantly, it has colored LEDs that just look rad. The mouse is super flexible. I can connect it via Bluetooth, wireless USB dongle or cable. I am actually using all three connections. I have it connected via Bluetooth on my Mac, via USB dongle on my PC, and when I got really competitive, I used the cable for zero latency. Mercury doesn't come with 200 buttons, which is perfectly okay for me. I'm a minimalist, and having the right amount of programmable buttons is all I need. I have the two standard buttons on the top with a third button on the wheel, two thumb buttons on the side, and one extra button for the middle finger. My favorite feature is actually not a functional one, even though as an engineer I always look for functionality. My favorite feature is the behavior of the LEDs. GravaStar loves adding these small design gimmicks. When the mouse is connected to a power outlet, it breathes in a single color, red or green. If it has a data connection, it pulsates in RGB, and if it is in wireless mode and you move it, the LEDs turn off until you stop moving. Then they turn on again. This is a gimmick, but I really love it.